Friends turn into foes as some of the heroes become villains. They imprison Spider-Man, and now they are closing in on the Black Widow. There is nothing Spider-Man can do to rescue her. Though he does get a message out to Iron Man and the Falcon. The message is simple. Please, P-L-E-A-S-E. Save, S-A-V-E. Black, B-L-A-C-K. Widow, W-I-D-O-W. Is it enough? Are they in time to rescue the Black Widow? I don't know. Let's see. Yes. No. 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 Yes, they are. Well, let's find out if that's actually true. Were they able to rescue her from the clutches of these now evil characters? They were indeed. Look at that. They got to her just in time. Amazing. These two Marvel heroes went up against 6 heroes and prevailed. Okay, so that is the effect. If you follow the steps exactly, it works every time. The whys behind the principles here are taught in the Hidden Structures online course, and more specifically in the Hidden Structures Boot Camp series. So I encourage you to take a look at that little set of videos to learn the principles involved. One principle is the idea of overcoding. That explains the spelling procedure and why it does what it does. But there's other principles involved. And once you learn those principles, you can use them to create a near infinite number of card effects that you can truly call your own, because you design them using ideas that you understand. So I encourage you to take a look at that bootcamp series or any videos on the Hidden Structures channel. Thank you for watching.